Screening and Crushing Systems are proud to introduce the Trommex, an excavator trommel screen attachment. The unit being demonstrated is a TX20 model mounted on a Caterpillar 320U excavator. This rugged attachment is available in 3 sizes to suit: 5 to 10 tonne, 10 to 15 tonne and 18 to 30 tonne excavators. Worldwide, there's always a requirement for rock and aggregate to be screened. Volumes can vary from small to large quantities and varying in material size. The Trommex attachment becomes more viable when smaller amounts of material are required to be screened. The attachment is easily transported to the site with the excavator. Production rates will vary depending on the screen size being used and the type of material being screened. Approximately 40 to 70 tonnes per hour can be achieved with the larger TX20 model shown here. As you can see, the fines are screened out and the larger material retained in the Trommex bucket to be stockpiled separately. The operator is now demonstrating how user-friendly it is to change screens on the TX20 Trommex. The Trommex has been designed using the latest 3-dimensional modelling software. There are 3 screen segments per unit. Each screen slides into place and is held in position by 4 retaining bolts per section. The types of screens available are woven mesh, welded mesh and perforated plate. The removable screens are available in a variety of aperture sizes, from a 3/4 inch or 20mm to 12 inch or 300mm aperture. Additional screens can be transported within the Trommex. Anti-spillage plates are provided in the open end of the Trommex to retain the material while screening. The half-arrow cutting edge is replaceable. The bolt-on head section allows all Trommex units to be standardised. The head sections are made to suit individual excavators. This means only new head sections are required when using the Trommex on different excavators. The Trommex is then driven by a heavy-duty, high-torque, low-speed hydraulic motor. The purpose-built and preset relief valve, complete with flow valves, is attached to the hydraulic motor. Connections to the hydraulic valve block are for 3/4 or 20mm hose fittings. Remote lubrication points are situated at the rear of the Trommex. Operator safety is an important factor in all SCS designed equipment. All nip points on the Trommex are guarded. To change 3 screens can easily be achieved within 10 minutes. The operator has just finished changing one Trommex screen segment in 2.5 minutes. Topsoil can be screened to remove stone and contaminants such as tree roots, etc. This screening action can also break compacted soil down to a finer consistency. Other applications for the Trommex include screening off fertilizers, compost mulch, tree bark and any other material that requires sizing or splitting. By replacing the screen segments with agitator plates, the Trommex can be easily converted into a mixer for concrete, cement or for stabilising contaminants. The solid agitator plates slide into the screen slots on the Trommex and are held in place by the screen retaining bolts. The plates have lifting bars attached to the inside faces to mix the materials. As the world is becoming more conscious of recycling materials and waste minimisation, the Trommex, as shown here, can split recyclable materials from demolition or construction waste. Screening of these materials reduces disposal costs at landfill sites. The TX5 is the smallest model of our Trommex range and has been developed to fit 5 to 10 tonne excavators. The TX5 shown is attached to a Hyundai 5.5 tonne excavator and is being used to screen rock and gravel. This TX5 is being used to screen topsoil. The highly popular Trommex excavator screen attachment has proven to be a rugged, dependable and versatile unit. It's ideal for screening topsoil, aggregates, demolition waste, bark, rock, compost and as well as a variety of other applications. It can be easily converted to a mixer for concrete or cement, stabilising contaminants or for blending materials. For further information on our range of Trommex models, please contact your nearest authorised agent or Screening and Crushing Systems Limited.